Would you be able to count the number of times you made decisions today? It could range from you choosing what to wear before you went out, or it could range from you choosing what to have for breakfast in the morning, what kind of means of transportation to use today, or even just like how to use your 24 hours. Can you remember how many times you had to make all these decisions? I personally cannot. It's just impossible for me to do. Just because I realize that we have a ton of decisions to make during a day. Uh, so, what I want to share today is related to that. How can we make great decisions? How do we know it's actually the right decision for me to make? And these are two tips and tricks that help me out a lot in my personal decision making journey. So I'm hoping that they're going to help you out a lot too. If they don't get me wrong, because I just feel like sharing them with you all so that you can do whatever you want with that information. What is it? So, two things. The very first one is you knowing your values. Values. That's the key word, very important to me. When I'm saying value, I wanted to think about what is important, what is that thing that really is important in your life. Could be family, could be anything, but just like I wanted to think of that thing that really makes you yourself, just like it makes you thrive as a person, just makes you happy. Like if you do not do this kind of thing, if you do not do this, if this value of yours is not well respected, you just feel like you're not thriving as a person. You want to know what is mine? Mine is love. Love. So for me, it's love. For me, love is what wakes me up every single day from my bed. And love is what prompts me to do whatever I have to do during my 24 hours a day. For me, love is what wakes me up and just like go prompt me to do whatever I have to do, like my volunteer project with young people here in Madagascar, or like even just like going out there and meet up with my friends and saying I love you to my family, doing amazing things in my workplace, even though I don't feel like it a lot of times. But for me, that is my value, love. I don't feel okay if I don't actually respect that value that I love so much, which is love. Second of all, what is it? Second of all, for me, it is goal. Goal. What is your goal? For me, the goal is related to that value that you just thought about before. My value, as I said, is love. So now my goal is to share that value wherever I go in the world. Whatever situation I'm in, for me, this is how I go about any decisions. So, second, for me, it's really goal. As soon as I know what my goal is as a person, I just know what kind of decisions to make. So, in terms of decision making right now, I wanted to look at these two pieces of the puzzle as a package, as a whole, as just one thing like this. If you wanted to make a decision, a personal decision, whether it's in your personal life, like with your spouse, in your relationship, or in your job, or in your career path, I want you to think about these two things. If you feel like your goal and your value are not attained or respected, it means that this is definitely not the right decision. So, if these two align, if your goal and if your value align with the decision that you just made, it means that it is the right decision, guys. So again, it doesn't have to help you, but it did help me a lot in my life, and I'm hoping that even the tiny part of it will be helping you as a person too in your decision making journey. Bye, guys.